My name is Mia Goddard. I'm the Curriculum Quality Lead for Hairdressing and Beauty Therapy here at Hastings College. I'm here to talk to you today about some of the courses we offer, some of the facilities we've got, and a bit more about our courses. Beauty Therapy at Level 2, you'll study waxing, manicures and pedicures. You'll learn how to do gel polish as well. And with those treatments, you'll learn how to do luxury treatments, so things like hot mitts, hot oil. You'll learn all about skincare treatments, how to look after your skin properly, as well as all the anatomy and physiology that supports that. You'll also do a small unit in makeup, eye treatments, so things like lash tinting, lash lifting, eyebrow shaping, etc. And we also do additional units now as well, where you learn how to do ear piercing and spray tanning. And then if you progress up to level 3, you'll do body massage, facial and body electrical treatments, as well as all our spa therapy treatments as well, using the Spa Fine professional products. And on makeup artistry, you learn more the sort of basic makeup on level 2, so how to create a basic look, how all your products work, so how to prepare the skin, prime the skin and apply the makeup correctly. And you'll go on to do things like photographic makeup, editorial makeup and historical looks. And on your level 3 you explore more into your body artistry using an airbrush, and also more on the historical looks, how to create more hairstyles, and they also do fashion and photographic makeup as well as creating a professional portfolio. For level 2, we ask for 5 GCSEs, a grade 4 and above, ideally including your English, your maths and your science. Your science will help you with the biology, because you learn an awful lot about anatomy and physiology on your beauty therapy course. So it's really, really important that you get your maths and English to a grade 4 when you're at school. It opens up a lot more options when you come to college, and it means you don't have to continue your study of maths and English whilst you're here. If you don't achieve them, we do have programmes of study you can go on to, but it will just mean that you have to study your English and maths alongside your study programme. It may be that you still get into a level 2 course, but it would mean that you wouldn't do a technical qualification, you'd do a VRQ, and you'd have to do your English and maths alongside. So it makes it more challenging for you, more work involved, etc. as well. So you'll be in college normally 2 to 3 days a week, depending on the course you're doing, and that highly depends on your English and maths as well. So it could well be a 4th day if you have to resit your English and maths. And we say to set aside at least 4 hours a week of home study, so you can practice the treatments you've learned, as well as do your theory work and revision for exams as well. So work experience, again with makeup artistry, there's a lot of work experience involved with working with the theatres and working backstage. We also work closely with Cryolin. Students will go up on a trip each year in makeup artistry and have an exclusive workshop with a Cryolin professional. They offer a whole work experience programme as well, where you can go and work with them up in London for a week, which is really good experience for the students. In beauty therapy, we have a lot of links with our local salons, again like Eden Spa, Ballantyne's, where students can go out there and they get their work placements that way to get that industry experience. In beauty therapy, we have a trip every year to the Professional Beauty Show, which is a huge trade exhibition up at Excel in London. A really good opportunity to see a lot of the brands there. You'll always see like Clarins, C&D, Shellac, everything like that. They're all there, Saint-Tropez, all the big spray tanning areas. You can pick up some really good bargains. You can get some additional equipment and products that you need, and also look into some additional training there as well. Some of our students have gone to Seville, which is work experience, but also was an abroad trip in previous years. And with your makeup artistry, again, we work with Cryolin, so we go up to Covent Garden, up to their flagship salon, and do some work experience and day trips there. So I've been in the beauty industry for 21 years, doing all sorts of things. My main specialism when I was in industry was skincare. I also am still in industry doing micropigmentation, so I still do the tattooing of eyebrows mainly, but I do some lip work and eyeliner as well. And I've been here at the college for just over 10 years. So in hair and beauty in Hastings, we're really, really lucky. We've got the most up-to-date, fantastic salons. We've got 3 huge commercial salons that we use for our beauty therapy students. We also have a full hydrotherapy suite and spa as well, which includes sauna, steam room and a hydrotherapy pool. We also have within our salons a full working, fully equipped laser room, so we can do things like laser tattoo removal and permanent IPL hair removal as well. We also offer level 4 micropigmentation, which is semi-permanent makeup, so tattooing of eyebrows, eyeliner and lips, and again we have the full up-to-date working machines for that as well. Yep, so several of our students have gone to work for local salons and spas that we've got within our working area within Hastings. We've got the Eden Spa, I've taken on several of our therapists, also Ballantyne's and the Steiner cruise ships as well. Several beauty therapists have gone on to work there. Some of our makeup artistry students have gone on to work with the Stables Theatre as well. A lot of our tutors are still in industry as well, so you'll get the most up-to-date industry practices. We use great products. Dermalogica is used throughout our beauty salons. Cryolin is used through makeup artistry. and also the fact that we do have the full working spa, the laser room, and we offer all the different qualifications going up from foundation all the way to level 4. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, please get in touch, and we hope to see you soon.